Hi everyone, I'm Moose, here from San Francisco. Um, so today I want to do something different because yesterday we finally got Typia to work the way I wanted it to work with Vite. For a while, it just turned out to be like making the plugin point to the right TypeScript config, and I have a lot of feelings about the Node TypeScript ecosystem right now. I mean, honestly, like it's like so heterogeneous. Like there's JSR, there's NPM, like there's so many different ways of doing things, and there's a lot of build your own. I think I'm still pretty committed to sticking with it because I'm willing to go deep with the things, the pieces that I'm committed to, like as in like import it and fork it if I need to, like we did with the Tipia plugin because I think the tool is right enough for me. And I also just like love being in the JavaScript runtime. Um, yeah, I think I should do a stream on like really getting my debugging right. Like being able to attach a debugger to the browser. I know how to do that. Well, I mean, because it's built in, and to the server at some point. Um, which actually, when I was trying to debug in the browser, with this one, I wasn't able to like because of the source map. I wasn't able to like add breakpoints everywhere I wanted to. You know, like can you add a breakpoint in the transform code rather than the actual original untransformed code? Who knows? Anyways, um, so I want to do two things with you right now. So first, I want to just do like silly. I've never done this before, so I'm gonna like just do like a 5 minute meditation where I'm just gonna like sit here and close my eyes to sort of think about what I want to do next. And then we can do it. Um, and there's some like little fixes that I want to make to this overlay. Should probably it's like right there, right? This overlay. I want to make some changes to it. Like it's useful for me to like know what I'm doing and what I'm doing next. So I'm liking it. But um, for example, the checkboxes are shrinking, and I think that's because of flex. I can just add like um, flex string 0, and I think that'll fix that. Um, yeah, cool. All right. So let's light a candle. Kind of starting ritual. There's our candle. Um, and then let's set like a timer to stream. To meditate for 10 minutes. Um, let's do this on this, and then we'll update the overlay. Um, hmm. And then overlay. Mm. Mm. Right. Oof. Cool. That was intense. Okay. I'm trying not to take more. It's an intense thing to do. Okay. So let's switch. Looks like everything looks right, except for this guy. Let's be, oh, not that way. Cool. No, not like that. Like that. There you go. Cool. You're seeing the same thing I'm seeing. Cool. I got my good friend ChatGPT here. My cursor has Claude and ChatGPT, obviously. Okay. So the first thing I want to do is fix these like checkboxes that are shrinking. Let's check circle. Cool. Uh, don't let the. Okay. All right. Let's say it here. Don't let the checkboxes circles shrink when the other elements the same row grow. Let's see if you can figure out. Um, okay, that actually worked. I won't be able to uncheck things, but now let's supposed to start this. Um, okay, push that, fix. Okay, let's also say, let's do that. Our composer add button to archive completed tasks. Um, next to start. Paste. Actually, one. I think we should just reuse reset, right? Well, maybe not. Add button for archiving completed tasks next to the pause and reset buttons. And when update map state in to support storing archived tasks grouped by sessions where session is identified by the epoch timestamp of when tasks were archived. No need to add ability MUI to see archive press. Just move that. Cool. Cool. Okay, remove the completed task. Yeah. Cool. Nice. That looks good. Okay. Hold on a second. Okay, back. Alright, now I'm gonna play some music, man. You won't be able to hear it, but I'll be able to. And maybe you'll like feel the vibes. Okay. Alright. I have a thought. Okay. Um. Okay. Let's accept all this. Um. Extract task into on interface and use. Cool. Love it. Let's finish that. Hello. Okay. Yeah. All right. Good. I actually want to do like, actually, I'm curious about this. Is this caching? Man, thought we were over this. All right, let's do this again. Cool. It's annoying that changing the definition of something doesn't automatically trigger regeneration. Man, this like, I think I might want to like implement my own. Okay, well, let's try to see use this. Boom, and let's. Cool, love it. Cool, love it. All right. What else do I want to do? Oh, I don't think we need console log. Cool. I don't need those console logs anymore. Okay. All right. So I want to pick next project now because I have this. All right. Okay. I think what I want to do next is let me show you. Okay. Let's create a new folder. Tiny tape out. Oh, by the way, I got a submission for the bounty that I posted on Replit, and it was like half decent. Seemed reasonable, even though I fixed it myself. So I want to, give someone the bounty. If they did the work. I just asked this person to submit a PR for the work they did. So I hope they do that because I want to give them the bounty. Bounty. Well, I mean, I'm probably gonna, but I want to. Okay. All right. Okay, cool. All right, so next project. We did that. All right, so what I want to do is learn how to emulate an ASIC that can with VGA output. um, yeah, cool. Okay, so demo boards. All right, no, it's not very. Just what's a PMod? Okay, it's just it's a peripheral definition. Cool. Let's get on the Discord for this thing, man. So tiny tape out. I guess I didn't tell you. So tiny tape out is a way that um, you can get your own integrated circuits printed or built or synthesized, etched onto silicon, whatever the term is, which is usually like a really expensive and complicated process to do. They basically turn a chip into a multi-tenant thing, and you can submit a design and get it for 150 bucks, which is cool. Um, okay, all right. Cool. Join. Cool. Okay, so we got the Discord. So I want to search. Oh, cool. I didn't know Discord could do like threads and posts and stuff. Right. So let's do simulate VGA. Oh, simulate. Let's see what people said about this. Cool. Love it. This is exactly what I want. Okay. I mean, this will. Okay, cool. All right. This is nice. So let's definitely save that. Um, Save this. Wow, this is from like a week ago. Spediff. Cool. Can I bookmark this? Let's see if I can do this. What's an easel? Links. What's this? You know what? I think I'm just gonna use a Google Doc. Yeah, delete that. Cool. Yeah, because I mean, you're not gonna have hardware to do testing with. I wish I could see like how. How'd they build this? Ooh, they're running very late. Like basically a simulator in WebAssembly. Ha! Dude, this is crazy shit, man. It's like we truly live in the future. Um, that we can. Anyway, like I did this. The last time I did this was literally 2005. So that's 20 years ago. And I was in college at the time, and we had access to like expensive software that colleges would license for basically doing hardware design, hardware design languages. We use something called VHDL. Is that still around? Cool. Yeah. Yeah, it's like basically like you can design like a logic circuit. You can probably do like analog circuits too. I don't know. Definitely you can do digital logic circuits, and then you can do it either as like a gate representation, which is just like transistors and wires, as um or as a um state machine. So it kind of like describe it and figures out how to represent that in digital logic. So, anyways, um, but Tiny Tapepad has all these like browser-based tools that so you can use them without having to install anything. Just gotta love the web, man. Post HV sync. Cool. So this is basically like a. They now have like a nicer URL too. Let's look at all the repositories they have because they have cool stuff. Oh, that's it. TT multiplacer. What's that? Cool. Yes, I did. I learned how to do it. I just want to tell my friend about it. Hold on. Okay, let's use this one. Yeah, cool. It's completely out of my depth. Okay, all right. Moving X. Can I do times two? What happens? All right, moves faster. Okay, okay. All right. So these are the output. Okay, moving X. Where is this coming from? Oh, it's moving X. Is this the output? This is where I need Chat GPT. Let's first ask Chat GPT, what programming language is this? Very low. Okay, cool. Okay, this line. I mean, I'm gonna want to do this in like VS Code eventually, but like not soon. Moving a 10-bit wire. If I take this out, it won't move, right? Cool. Horizontally. Cool. Um, what is the bitwise meaning of addition flyers in Verilog? Cool, cool. Okay, makes sense. I believe we're just doing a walkthrough today. The move is scheduled for March. Um, for an estimate. Uh, okay, go, go. See you soon. All right. Ooh, sound. Who's that there? Okay. I think I need a little bit of a break. This is great. Cool. Let's write down some tasks for when we pick up. Okay. Get the VGA to display rectangle or circle, uh, static, and then I'm moving, and then vertically. Okay. And then next I will, no, no, I was present. Yeah. Get the VGA to vertical rectangle or circle. Mm. And get the, move the rectangle or circle based on some other input besides time. And then maybe like finally we do like um figure out how to read sound input. Cool. Okay. All right, folks. Um, Thanks for hanging out with me. Um, that was really productive today. Um, we can pause the time, and that's done. Um, yeah, I think I'll be able to hop on later today again, maybe early in the afternoon. Let me know um, in the comments or just message me if you want like a regularly scheduled time. That would be helpful for you. And thanks for being with me. I think there's only one person here, but thank you for being